Morning guys, my name's Martin from Sunnydale Survival, Bushcraft and Foraging. I'm out for a walk in the woods this morning in West Yorkshire. It's mid-May. Thought I'd do a video on an easy to identify plant, which is wood sorrel. It's part of the oxalis family, it's got a lovely taste and it's an easy to identify plant for a novice forager. So stick with me, go for a walk and see if we can find some. So here we are, we found a lovely patch of wood sorrel which is growing all over this mixed woodland. Wood sorrel has a fantastic citrus taste, often described as like green apple peel with lemony undertones. I hope you can see how easy it is to identify. It's a trifoliate, which is just a fancy way of saying it has 3 leaves. The 3 leaves of wood sorrel are very distinctive because they are heart-shaped, and there are no other plants in the UK that look like it. I've heard it said that it can be confused for clover, but don't worry, as clover is perfectly edible too, you just won't get that citrus burst. The flower is white and has 5 petals with purple or pink veins. All parts of wood sorrel are edible, the leaves, the flowers and the stems. I should mention wood sorrel contains oxalic acid and it is advised to consume in moderation, but in all honesty you would have to consume a lot for it to have any effect. Many homegrown and supermarket foods contain oxalic acid and come with no health warning whatsoever. So you can grab a handful whilst you're out and about for a lovely citrus burst. Throw a few leaves in a salad, put them in the cavity of a fish instead of lemon, make soups or tarts. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe and join us on Facebook too at Sunnydale Survival, Bushcraft and Foraging. Thank you again.